Happy handover day. Today is handover day for Julius and Vicky +1.
That's one.
Yeah. So I'm going to pass it over to them to tell their story. It's quite interesting. Their land, how they got their land, is a very fortunate story for them. Unfortunately, not for someone else, but for them. And the process they've gone through. And today is that day when they get their beautiful home. So pass it over to tell their story.
Ang tagal din namin na-resign kasi syempre kailangan namin ng payment. Buti na lang may scheme government tapos parang down ka na ng 5% tapos parang i-garant ko rin 15%. So yeah, sige mag-una lang tayo kahit sa bilang natin. Kakayanin siguro natin po kung trabahuan na natin. Decided to deal. Para wala nang hassle, wala na kami ayusin. Trabaho na lang ng trabaho.
Nga, dalawa trabaho ko eh. Timing job, 7 to 3 and then sa hospital 5 to 1:30 AM. So 2 job. Sleep, maximum 3 hours yan.
Monday to Friday.
Monday to Friday, that's
And pagkatid pa ng mga kids sa school.
So I wake up 5:30 in the morning, then prepare the kids, bring to school, child care. And then go to tiling job, 7, start 7 and then finish 3 o'clock. And got home, pick up my son. Just when I got home, I just go shower, eat, and then walk again to the hospital, start at 5 to 1:30 AM. So yeah, I got like around 2 AM in midnight and sleep. Yeah, maximum like 3 hours only. Sleep every day, Monday to Friday. But now it's great.
It's a hard one from the beginning. Everything busy because we're busy at work. I work as a nurse as well in aged care. So it's quite busy with the selections and everything, and then we have to go to north side to finalize everything because our builder is like based on our north side. So it's quite stressful, plus kids, plus work, plus choosing and everything. But at the end, it's worth it. Mission Homes was introduced by, especially Charmaine. She was introduced by a friend of us. We are happy na napunta kami sa kanya kasi she helped us a lot with all our finances. May mga issues, something na hindi kami disagree or disagreement. But at the end of the day, we settle them, and it's good that we work with them. They help us so much with our financial. Kahit nagkukulang kami ng finances, at least nag-find siya ng way kung paano namin ito i-resolve. She gave us lots of recommendations what we're gonna do to be up to with our loan. And also, it's a good thing because it's a one-stop shop. And then, yung pag-process ng pagkuha ng mga contract sa bahay at kung ano pa, at least may tie-up sila. Natulungan nila kami ng maayos.
Tsaka si Matt, big help din kasi talagang yung action niya na mabilis yung action niya na maghanap ng lote. Kung hindi dahil sa kanya, baka ganitong lote, yung laki ng lote na makuha namin. So, yung action na mabilis, big thank you kay Matt. Thank you, Matt. Talagang habaan yung pasyensya nyo. Kasi magantay hindi basta-basta. So, talagang tiyagaan lang talaga.
And then work hard. If you got kids, you really have to work hard. Pursue your dreams. Don't be scared to just go if you have the kaya may konti kayong ipon. Just go for it because at the end of the day, you want your own house. Yung masasabi mo na it's your own.